Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can add your National Trust card to your Apple Wallet. Now, it's really easy and simple. First things first, of course, you want to log into the Trust app and download that app, of course, if you haven't done so already. And once you're logged in, guys, you come here, click on Login, enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, guys, what you want to do is under Money, okay? Under Money right here, you want to view and manage card. So go ahead and click on View and Manage Card under Money, and then tap Add to Apple Wallet. Okay, come click on this right here at the bottom. Now, guys, you want to follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your name, enter your card number, and then, guys, you want to make the Trust card your default card. And it's that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it does, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.